See, you are done choosing your dimension, but the image that you are dealing with is kind of bigger, so you want to just widen the space a little bit. So what you do is that you come to the crop, so you can just go like this. You see, now we are having a color here that's not white, so what you have to do that the background here, you can just see. So you see the padlock means that it's been locked, you can't edit it, but once you take the padlock from there, so let me show you the padlock again. So there's a padlock on it. You see the padlock here. So if I right click, it means that it's now free to edit. So what I'm going to do is I want to make everything. You see, here is different color. Here too is a different color. And as I always advise that if you are not using anything, go back to the selection tool, because anything, if I right click, it's going to affect my editing. So normally before you end up doing anything, go to the move tool so that anything that you don't affect the whole thing. So the layer, we want everything to be white. We don't want that move or a dark color there. So we come down here, you see down here we have FX, this, we have this one here, we have this. They all have their names. When I put on it, you see they say create new fill or adjust layer. Then you come to this, I add a layer style. You can add layer mask. This is a delete. This is create a new layer. This is create a new group. You see they all have their names. So what I'm going to do is I'll come to this place, create a new field. Now right click on it. So I come here, you see there's a solid color. To go solid color, everything now has been one color. So the initial color was white, so let me just choose white. So we have the white here. So okay, see, so then everything becomes white. It gets so that's how you are able to use the selection, the crop tool. So if you want to crop it, it changes the whole background, and if you are able to change the colors too, that's how the whole thing works here. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe and I'll be very glad.